If you're looking for wireless earbuds with decent sound and cost under £30 with 45 hours of battery life, then these might just surprise you. They are the new earbuds from SOUNDPEATS and they are called the Air6 HS. I'll be testing them out to find out if they are worth your money and time or if it's just another budget earbuds making big promises. Welcome to the show GV Tech. I'm G Vader and without further ado, let's get to it. Inside the box, you'll find a charging case containing the SOUNDPEATS Air6 HS earbuds, a USB charging cable, and the usual documentation to get you started. Straight away, I like how compact everything feels. The case is pretty much what you've come to expect from earbuds in this form factor. They have a semi-in-ear design rather than silicone ear tips, similar to the design popularized by premium brands like Apple. The finish is slick, clean and minimal, which is exactly what I'd expect at this price point. I also like the shiny trim detail on the earbuds. They show off the SOUNDPEATS logo and give them a little bit of character that help make them stand out. Each earbud weighs just 4 grams, so they're incredibly lightweight. I didn't experience any pressure in my ear canal or any fatigue, even after wearing them for extended periods. And despite their lightweight design, the sound is actually fuller than you might expect. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the sound. In my opinion, the sound quality punches above its price. At around a third of the price of the AirPods, I was actually surprised by how closely this matched my AirPods 3 in most situations. The SOUNDPEATS Air6 HS comes with a large 13mm triple magnet dynamic driver along with a LDAC support. It's impressive on paper, but what that means in real life is that these earbuds have a really balanced sound. The bass is a little light straight out of the box, but once you activate the dynamic EQ through the SOUNDPEATS app, you get a little more punch. The vocals are clear, there's plenty of detail in the instruments, making these really enjoyable as a pair of earbuds for everyday listening. Overall, these aren't trying to give you that big heavy bass sound. They are tuned more towards natural, balanced sound that's easy to listen to for long periods, whether you're traveling, working, or just relaxing. Speaking of features, the SOUNDPEATS Air6 HS packs in Bluetooth 6.0, LDAC, and high-res audio. You also get AI noise cancellation for phone calls, multipoint connectivity, and touch controls. For phone calls, each earbud includes 2 microphones with smart environmental noise cancellation to help reduce background noise. During my testing, voices came through clearly enough for everyday calls, even outdoors. So this is what it sounds like with the microphones on the earbuds. They can get the job done, not the best, but at least you can use them for calls, you can use them for video calls, conference calls, and for that sort of thing. So that's what it sounds like. That's my official test for the microphones. So you have 2 microphones on each earbud, and this is what it sounds like. Battery life is another area where these really impress. You get up to 9 hours from the earbuds themselves and up to 45 hours when combined with the charging case. If you run out of power, a quick 10 minutes charge gives you around 3 hours of playback. That's perfect when you're about to head out and realize you've forgotten to charge them. There's also an IPX5 water resistant rating, making them suitable for workouts or getting caught in light rain or sweat. So here's my verdict. Overall, I think the SOUNDPEATS Air6 HS offers great value for a price under $40. If you're after a pair of affordable everyday earbuds for music, video, work calls, and commuting, these are definitely worth considering. If you'd like to check them out for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good.